What does it mean when you have a wet dream? If you've ever woken up to a surprise in your bed, you might be wondering what just happened. Let's talk about wet dreams and what they really mean. A wet dream, also known as a nocturnal emission, is when you ejaculate or release fluids while you're asleep. For guys, this means semen is released from the penis, often leaving a wet, sticky spot on your underwear. It's not pee, so don't worry about that. This usually happens during the REM sleep stage, when your body is dreaming and your heart rate and breathing increase. This stage makes your genitals more sensitive, which can lead to ejaculation, even if you're not having a sex dream. Wet dreams are most common during puberty, when your body starts producing more testosterone. This hormone surge stimulates sperm production, and if the body doesn't release this semen through other means like masturbation or sex, it can happen during sleep. But it's not just teenagers who have wet dreams, adults can experience them too. Factors like decreased sexual activity, stress, and unfulfilled sexual desires can all contribute to having wet dreams. For women, wet dreams can involve vaginal lubrication and even orgasm during sleep. Research shows that nearly 40% of women have had at least one nocturnal orgasm by the age of 21. Wet dreams are a natural part of human sexuality and are generally harmless. They help regulate semen production and are a way for the body to release accumulated fluids. So, if you wake up to a wet dream, don't feel embarrassed or worried. Just clean yourself up and remember it's a normal part of your body's processes. If you have any concerns or questions, it's always a good idea to talk to a doctor or someone you trust. Wet dreams can happen at any age, and their frequency can vary greatly from person to person. Some people have them frequently, while others might only have a few in their lifetime. In summary, having a wet dream is just your body's way of releasing built-up fluids, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. It's a natural and healthy part of your sexual development and ongoing reproductive health.